Welcome! This video will go over how to use your degree audit. The Blinn College District highly recommends you meet with an advisor before you register for classes. Go to www.blinn.edu. Click on My Blinn Login. Type your My Blinn username and password. Click Sign In. Scroll down the page. Click on Degree Audit. The top portion of your degree audit will list your Blinn ID, your name, and the degree. You may have one AS, one AA, multiple AASs, multiple certificates, and multiple occupational skills. If you have a double major, you will need to choose your degree in the drop-down box on the right side of the page. Your level, classification, major, college, campus, residency, mailing address, GPA, TSI classification, holds, test scores, and academic standing will be listed. Important notices. Your address may not be updated in DegreeWorks. Your transcript GPA will be listed. This GPA includes all Blinn College coursework. This GPA may be different than the GPA listed below, as the GPA below will include only coursework that applies to the degree plan. For example, the GPA below will not include developmental courses. The GPA at Blinn College does not include transfer work. For holds, if the item starts with not a hold, this hold will not stop you from registering. By default, you will see the student view. The student view will show you all classes you have taken and the classes you still need. The registration checklist will show you only what classes you still need, not what you have taken. As you scroll, you will see your degree, catalog year, GPA, and additional needs for this degree. Scroll down the page to see more information. Your degree audit will display various messages and information for you to review. The following screenshots are for different degrees, certificates, and occupational skills. Your degree audit may look different than the video, as your degree audit will depend on your degree and major. An Associate of Arts and an Associate of Science are degree programs that prepare students to transfer to a bachelor's degree at a university. An Associate of Applied Science is a degree program that prepares students for employment in a specific career area. A certificate is a program that provides the knowledge and technical skills necessary for entry-level employment or to enhance existing skills and knowledge within a specific career area. An occupational skill is an award designed to give students an introduction to the field. Pay close attention to any important notices included in your audit. When reviewing the degree audit, the green circle with a check indicates you have met that requirement. When reviewing the degree audit, the light blue half circle indicates you are in the process of meeting that requirement, meaning you are taking that class now or you have registered for that class for a future term. When reviewing the degree audit, the red circle indicates you need that requirement. Not applicable to program courses are courses that are in progress or completed that are not required for the degree you are seeking. Will not satisfy degree requirements are courses that the student failed, dropped, or retook. In progress are courses that the student is currently taking. The legend will help you read your degree audit. Plans will allow you to see the planner that you created with your academic advisor. To see the planner that you created with your academic advisor, select Plans. Scroll to the plan list to see the plans that you and an advisor have created. Select the plan you want to use. Scroll down to see the classes you selected with your advisor. To see additional information about your advising session, such as alternate course selections, click on the Notes icon. If the icon is gray, there are no notes. If the icon is blue, There are notes for you to view. What If will show you the courses you currently have completed, as well as courses that are in progress, and will apply them to different majors. What If is hypothetical and does not change your degree plan. Select What If. Choose the catalog year, degree, major, and college. Select Process. Scroll through this What If analysis to review the courses that are required. Thank you for viewing this video.